It is Wind Down Wednesday, thanks to the Sarasota-Manatee Originals. We're in our Rice's Appliance kitchen with one of the originals, the Ringling Grill Room. This is the first time you have graced us with your presence. We're so excited to talk to Chef Leo and David. We're enamored by the spread. David, tell us about the Ringling Grill Room. I know you're located somewhere very special.
Yes, so the Ringling Grill Room, we're a modern American restaurant, which is great for special occasions and great for lunch get-togethers. We're located at the Visitor Center inside the John and Mable Ringling Museum of Art.
So it's a twofer.
It's a twofer. It's a great destination. It's a great destination to see beautiful grounds, and also we service for all the guests in the museum and the general public alike. Also a great location for pre-theater dinners.
Oh, I love every bit of this, and I love the point of Mother's Day. Bring mom to brunch at the Ringling Grill Room, and then you can walk the grounds.
And you can always walk them on Mondays for free.
Which is an amazing point. Absolutely.
Yes.
All right, so Chef, we're hungry. I'll be honest. Tell us what we're making today.
We are making some blackened shrimp and grits.
Okay. All right.
The grits are going to be with some bacon.
Yes.
And some smoked Gouda.
Yes.
You had me at Gouda.
And it's a little twist to it.
Okay, so show us the twist. Hot pan, hot pan.
Hot pan.
This is already hot.
Okay.
Okay, boiling
Get a little
water.
facial.
Okay, so we're going to put a cup of grits inside of 4 cups of water.
All right.
Okay.
We're going to put a half a teaspoon of salt.
I grew up in the South with grits.
Me
and they were sort of
too.
bland, but your grits are not going to be bland.
He's about to jazz it
I
up.
don't think my grits are going to be blonde.
Oh, I bet they are.
These have
Not
a
with that
little
Gouda.
kick to it. These have a little kick to it.
We're ready for grits with a kick.
Perfect, perfect.
So this is one of your Mother's Day specials.
Yes, ma'am. We
Okay.
have plenty of special for Mother's Day. We have a whole menu for Mother's Day.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Yes, which is going to be fabulous.
Yeah.
The
A
food is
beautiful
fabulous.
place to spend the day for sure.
Yes, for sure.
All right, so here comes the shrimp.
Okay, so we're going to throw some blackened seasoning in here. Okay.
Here comes the kick.
House-made, I assume?
Secrets in the sauce.
He won't say, he won't say. All right,
I'm not going to say, but it's a secret.
No one ever gives us their secrets. We understand.
It's okay.
Let's lower that down a little bit. Okay, let's put it on low. Okay.
Ooh, honey, we cooking in the kitchen today.
Well, this is what's called cooking. Okay. So we're going to mix this over here.
And remember, who doesn't want to cook on Sunday?
But this is a simple dish. Mom doesn't want to do this, but that's why this is such a simple dish that you can pull it out in 5-6 minutes.
All right, well, that sounds like something
Better
Dad and the kids can do.
Well, it's going to be done in 5 minutes.
It's better when you do it.
It's better when
And
I
is
do
this
it, but
like-
of course.
Is this like rice? You don't touch it?
This is, right now, you leave it alone for 5 minutes. Let
And
it
then
cook.
stir it.
No, you stir it once in a while.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Right now, I'm going to throw the shrimp
Put those
in.
babies in.
Yes.
Steph's going to do the taste test, so we make sure.
We're unfortunately always under the constraints of TV time.
Yes.
So while you do that, I'm going to make sure that you cook these okay.
That's fine with me.
He can stand the test. Well, what do you think, Steph?
Oh, those shrimp smell good.
The bacon in the grits, that is an added level of heaven.
And the smoked Gouda.
Oh, it's the smoky. Yeah, there's a lot of smoky in the grits, and I love it.
Tell me what's on the end before we go, because that looks so delicious down there.
Is that the cheesecake?
Yes, that's my
Let's talk about
specialty
this.
cheesecake.
Your
Cheesecake.
special
tell us
cheesecake.
what makes your
My
cheesecake
special
special.
cheesecake, myself.
Oh, so you
Okay.
have a special recipe.
Yes, ma'am.
This is New York-style cheesecake made by Chef Leo. Tracy just dug into something and hasn't moved on. What is that?
That's the cheesecake, isn't it?
Oh, Tracy's in the cheesecake. I'm in the grits. We are sauteing blackened shrimp. This is all for Mom. Take her to brunch at the Ringling Grill Room this coming weekend. Listen, it's Sunday from 11 to 3. RinglingGrillRoom.com to check out the menu. You go, you enjoy, you dine, you can have a glass of wine, and then you can walk the Ringling grounds with Mom, see the bay.
Yes.
It is one of the most beautiful places on the Sun Coast. We can't wait for you to see.